The screen can be bent. Why not break the screen? Smartphone glass screens will break if bent, but why are modern smartphones now able to bend their screens and not break, and are also of high quality? What is behind this unique technology? Flexible display technology is the latest technology in smartphones. It is an evolution of OLED screens. And the reason why OLED screens were chosen is because they are made from organic materials that emit light when an electric current passes through them, without the need for a light bulb. Not only that, it is also thin to the point of being flexible. Then OLED screens evolved into flexible OLED screens, which are used in smartphones such as the iPhone X and Samsung Galaxy Edge. At that time, they were not yet foldable, and only had the ability to bend the edges of the screen. Later, they evolved to be foldable. Glass is generally hard and will crack if bent, so the first generation of foldable screens were made from polymer plastic. However, this material is more prone to scratches and dents than glass screens. But this barrier has been overcome, as in February 2020, Samsung released the ultra-thin glass technology Galaxy Z Flip, the first foldable smartphone with a true glass screen. The OLED foldable display offers better picture quality than most smartphones available today. It offers better color contrast, higher brightness, faster refresh rates, and lower power consumption compared to LCD displays of the same size. Overall, these are the reasons why the glass screen can be flexible. It should be added that foldable smartphones have many advantages, as the large screen can replace large devices such as tablets or computers from time to time, can be used for multitasking, and can be used to play games and watch videos with full eyes. But it also has disadvantages in terms of price, age, and thickness. The foldable glass screen is the biggest innovation in smartphone manufacturing in a long time. It is believed that this type of smartphone is the future of phones, replacing tablets. As the price increases, the special features will be more advanced, and the price will be affordable for general users.